प्यारे तलबा व तालिबात अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हमें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 14.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करना है, जो पेज नंबर 289 पर वाक़ है। और आज हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 122 है, लेक्चर नंबर 122। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. The following table gives the distribution. नीचे दो जो टेबल दिया हुआ है, यह हमें क्या शो करता है, क्या दिखाता है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ 400 नियॉन लैंप्स। और नीचे टेबल है लाइफ टाइम इन आवर्स 1500 to 2000 और नंबर ऑफ लैंप्स कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी 14। फिर दूसरा क्लास है 2000 to 2500 एंड कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी 56 एंड so on. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. Neon lamp is damp lamp which provides us orange light. ठीक है बच्चों, अब हम करेंगे इसका ऐसा लिखिए हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का सॉल्यूशन। द फॉलोइंग द cumulative frequency distribution table the cumulative frequency distribution table of the lifetime of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. 400 neon lamps is as follows. तो हम टेबल बनाएंगे, क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल बनाएंगे। आप क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल lifetime in hours. Lifetime in hours or class interval. Lifetime in hours or class interval. Second column is number of lamps. Number of neon lamps or frequency. This column number first and this column number second. The third is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Or in short, CM. Is column number 3. तो यहाँ करेंगे अब हम लाइफ टाइम इन आवर्स 1500 to 2000. That means 1500 to 2000. Frequency is 14. Cumulative frequency is also 14. Then 2000 to 3,500. 2,500. Two thousand to 2,500 frequency is 56, and cumulative frequency is 70. 56 plus 14. Then third interclass interval is, third class is 2,500. 2,500 minus 3,000. Sorry, to 3,000, not minus. And frequency is 60. And it becomes here 60. 14 plus 56 plus 60. 130. The fourth class is 3,000 to 3,500. 3,000 to 3,500. And the frequency is 86. 86. The sum of these is that cumulative frequency 6 plus 8 plus 3. 11, 1 carry on, 1 plus 1, 2. 260. Then 3,500 to 4,000. Frequency is 74. And total is 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry on, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. And here is 2. 290 cumulative frequency. Then 3,500. Sorry, then 4,000. Then here in this class upper limit is 4,000, and the next class it is a lower limit. 4,000 minus 4,000 to 4,500, it is 62. 62. The total that will cumulative frequency is 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 6, 50 here, 1 carry on. 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Then 4,500 to 5,000. Frequency is 48. Frequency is 48. And the total is 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 1, you carry on आ गया 400. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. तो ये हमारे पास बन गया cumulative frequency table. This is our cumulative frequency table. This is our cumulative frequency table. Here is the lifetime in hours, or we can say class interval, number of lamps, or frequency, cumulative frequency, or जिसको हम in short बोलते हैं CF. The call number first, call number second, call number third. Class interval 1,500 to 2,000, and frequency is 14. Cumulative frequency is 14. Second class is 2,000 to 2,500. Frequency is 50 seconds. Cumulative frequency is 70. इसी तरह से अब हम यहाँ करेंगे in this frequency here, in this frequency, in this cumulative frequency distribution table here, n is equal to, given it is equal to 400. N is equal to 400. That means n by 2. That means n by 2. That means total number of lamps are 400. N by 2 is equal to 200. N by 2 is equal to 200, which lies in the class. This 200 lies in the class this 3,000 to 3,500. 3,000 to 3,500. 200 इसी में आता है, इसको हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे. And this class is called median class. Therefore, our median class is this called median class 3,000 to 3,500. This is our median class. This is lower limit, 3,000 is lower limit, and 3,500 is upper limit. Now, here in this median class, L is equal to 3,000. Lower limit is equal to 3,000. H, class size, is equal to 500. Upper limit minus lower limit, 2,000 minus 1,500. That is equal to 500. 2,500 minus 2,000, which is equal to 500. And then L 3,000, H 500. CF, cumulative frequency 130, and F, that is frequency, is equal to 86. Now we have N by 2 equal to 200, L equal to 3,000, H equal to 500, CF, cumulative frequency equal to 130, and frequency equal to 86. Therefore, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, which is equal to 3,000 plus N by 2, 200, minus cumulative frequency CF 130 divided F 86 into H, which is equal to 500. Which implies 3,000 plus 2,000 by 130, 70 divided by 86 into 500. So 2 3s are 6, 1 carry on, 2 5 are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 3,000 plus 35 plus 500, 0 0, 5s are 25, 2 carry on, 5 3s are 15, plus 2, 17, divided by 43, divided by 43. Which implies 0 0 5, 0 0 5, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 plus 1. Sorry. Okay? So that's the game. At the end it is 3,000. 20,500 divided by 43. Here it becomes sorry. अरे बच्चे यहाँ पर ये 3,000 प्लस इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 500 into 35, 0 0. This is 70,500 divided by 43. अब हम इसको ज़रूर देंगे इसके साथ 3,000 into 43, 3,000 into 43, which is equal to 1,29,000. 3,000 into 43 plus 17,500 into denominator of this 3,000, which is equal to 17,500 divided by 43, which is equal to, now we will add these two numbers, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 9, 16, 1 carry on, 1 plus 2, 3, and carry on 1, 4, and this is 1 divided by 43. 1,46,500. 1,46,500 divided by 43, which is equal to 1,46,500 divided by 43 is equal to 3,406 is equal to 3,406.98 approximately. 0.98 approximately. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. Hence, here is the median lifetime. Here is the median lifetime of a lamp is equal to 3,406.98 hours. And this is the solution of this question number 5. Solution of question number 5 of exercise number 14.3.